In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an FAQ page in Elementor. And this is how our page will look like after we have finished creating it. So, if this is what you want, keep watching.
Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
Now let's design our frequently asked questions page. Now the page is empty, and to start designing it, I click on Edit Page. Since we'll be designing our page with Elementor, I click on Edit with Elementor. We don't need this title here, so what I do is I go over to Settings, going down, Page Layout, I drop down the arrow, then I select Elementor Full Width. The page will reload and the title is gone. We need a banner just like what we have on this demo website. So I go back. I already have the banner saved as a template. So I click on Add Template. I go to my templates and I have it here, page banner. I click on Insert and I'm not going to apply the settings. So I'll just customize this banner to suit my needs. I don't need this title, so I take it off and I change this title to Frequently Asked Questions. Next, I'm going to add a new container. So I click on the plus icon right here and I select the first one. Next, I go over to widgets, then I search for accordion. I have it right here. I drag it and drop it in here. And by default, we'll be given 2 accordion items. And that is what we have here. You can add as many as you want. So to enter my questions and answers, I click on the very first accordion item to expand it. And this is where I want to enter the question that is under title. And then the content is where I enter the answer. I can grab the questions and answers from my demo website. So I come to the demo website, then I go ahead and copy. Going back, I paste in the question. I go back to the demo website, then I grab the answer. Going back, I paste it in here. I can collapse it, then I go to the second one. I go back to my demo website, then I grab the second question. Going back, I paste it in here. I grab the answer. Going back, I paste it here. Awesome. I can collapse this. Now I've exhausted the 2 accordion items being given. So I go ahead and add item. So I go back to my demo website. Then I grab the third question. Copy. Come back here. Paste. Going back, I copy the answer. Come back in here. Then I go ahead and paste. So similarly, I do the same thing to get as many questions and answers as I want. I'll do this pretty quick and get back to you. Alright, I've entered all my questions and answers as you can see. I go ahead and click on Update and let's take a look. Going down, I have my questions and answers right here. Awesome. So that's it on how to create a frequently asked questions page with Elementor.
Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next one.